Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Gadgets. You probably haven't seen me this excited in a long time, and that's because I've got a brand new gadget. I'm going to just open it up, give you a little teaser of what's to come on the channel. I'm really excited about this one. There we go. The Fifish V-Evo underwater drone. This thing is going to be amazing. So watch for future videos on this very, very soon. Is it as big as I think it is? It is heavier than I expected it to be. That's for sure. Oh, look at that. Look at that. An underwater drone. Wow. That's got some good heft to it.